Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Not only do I not want stuffy air, but I want a beautiful breeze in the summer as well. That's what you're going to get with this awesome fan from Hisummer. This 42-inch fan with light was a breeze to install. It had all of the parts in the box and it was really easy to follow the instructions, and it took less than an hour to put it up. The LED light panel provides a really bright but soft light, and you can see that it has 3 modes allowing you to adjust it to whatever lighting that you need. I also really appreciate that the remote that it came with fully controls everything. You can set a timer, you can set 6 speeds. Literally, you can do everything from that remote. But while you have the fan running, you'll notice that it is whisper, whisper quiet. So you don't have to worry about being kept awake or being disturbed on a call while you're using this fan. The fan is really such an upgrade because we had one before that was really not cooperating with the remote. It wasn't as adjustable, it didn't have as many awesome features, and this fan really solved all of those problems. So if you're looking for a really easy to install fan that looks really pretty and modern, this is an awesome one to check out. In any room in your home, you'll be all set with that beautiful soft breeze and lighting. But that's just my point of view.